they are hoping to request here used, so you have to cross. My parents saw us off in this afternoon. It here also it is used, so you have to cross over here. The police are going to investigate. We are awaiting for the news. What they ask, cross the ones in which preposition have not been used. So we are waiting for the news. You have to cross here. And here Damu shouted loudly when he realized that Pati was feeling sleepy. The highlighted words shows verb adverb collocation, togetherness of the words. Verb, it is verb and it is adverb. What is adverb? To tell more about a verb. Okay, tell more about verb. Some other example also there. Sleep soundly, walk briskly, rain heavily, nod happily, dance gracefully, talk sweetly. Okay, so here are choose a suitable adverb that can go with these words. Dance gracefully. Whisper sing melodiously. Shout loudly. Walk briskly. Agree completely. Express clearly. Relay, whisper gently. Then relay heavily. Okay children, now move to, you have to prepare a speech. Okay, that a speech is an important mode of communicating with a large gathering. It helps the speaker in sharing information or a point of view or in conveying a message. So you have to do that. Okay na? The great audience start the speech with a key sentence which convey the main theme or central idea of speech. Use short sentence to express your views. Okay, end the speech with the conclusion. Thank you, the audience. Okay, thank the audience. Here one example I am giving you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We all know the edge. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is very important to keep ourselves healthy. Methodical and energetic. If the place we live in is clean and organized, it creates a kind of peace in our mind. It makes us feel welcome, especially after a long day. A dirty place will also affect our mind and we will not be able to concentrate. Some of the things we can do to continue to keep the city clean are to segregate the garbage, put waste in the dustbin, stop spitting and urinating on the roads. So it is important that We work with our friends, neighbors and others to keep our cities clean. Thank you all for listening to me. Okay na children? So you have to write, keeping this point in your mind, prepare and present a speech on the topic My Clean City. Okay, then this I have said, you have to prepare this. Using the point given in the speaking section, write a speech on a we must keep our neighborhood clean. Okay now children? And this also you have to do. I will give you the snapshot, you have to write it. Okay, now let's move to grammar worksheet 1. Underline the preposition in the following sentence. Read and check whether the prepositions are used correctly. If it is correctly, then rewrite same as it is. If it is not, rewrite the correct sentence correctly. Okay, incorrect sentence correctly. My sister gave me a chain of gold. So that is a correct sentence or a wrong sentence. That is a correct sentence. That is correct sentence. My sister gave me a gold of chain is a correct sentence. After dance class, I was going to home. Here we should not use after dance class I was going home. He was taken to the hospital after the accident. He was taken to the hospital after the accident. It is correct. The student read of a book. The students read a book, not read of. It is also wrong. You should not use this. Rewrite, okay? Which I have underlined, you should not use that. Rewrite. You leaving this, you have to rewrite again. I went to the library yesterday. I went to the library yesterday. It is correct. There was bright sunlight in this morning. There was bright sunlight this morning. Already we know, no, we learned this is qualifying. So here also you should not use. We should obey to the teacher. We should obey the teacher. No need here. The train is approaching to the station. The train is approaching the station. No need. Where is your appointment? It is also correct. They shall meet with him later. They shall meet him later. So which words I have underlined? No, you just leave them and rewrite again. Okay, all the best to children.